are we, my love?
Morning.
We've magically appeared in a magical land and with no prior warning.
We're in Bali.
And this is the young man cooking all of the great food.
Because I need to go back to my computer. Well, you're going to enjoy life. I'll be working until 3 p.m.
I'm here at the Australian Independent School in Bali, where I've more or less invited myself in to see the school, thanks to the principal, John Millis. So we're going to go in, have a little wander around, meet John, have a little look at the school. I probably won't be able to film too much because there's a lot of kids around and obviously you can't film with these kids.
So it's very interesting.
Australia.
Yeah.
Not first time in Bali then.
Not the
Oh, we get this one direct.
Just right there.
So much garlic.
Is it going well?
Yeah, very well so far.
84%.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
What you looking for?
I don't know.
All right, well, we've been fed and we've had a foot massage and we've done some shopping and now we're just wandering around.
Wow, look at this.
Nice.
Very. I need a push one.
No, I'm not getting involved.
I need a push of a kitty. Look at this happy place. This afternoon we are planning to go to a new big statue that was built in 1983, like a cultural experience immersement and with performances and everything. So we're looking forward to it.
And you probably can't see it from here, but if I look down the beach that way, way off in the distance. Can I zoom here? Zoom in there. Maybe you can see way off in the distance there, just this giant temple cultural centre. So we're going to go and have a look there.
My morning was very exciting. I managed to tick an item from my bucket list, which was to horse ride and do a gallop on a beach with a horse. It was really lovely. I'm very happy. Look at that.
On the beach this morning and saw this giant statue off in the distance and decided that we're going to come and check it out. So it's a statue of Vishnu and Garuda.
What you doing, babe?
Buying tickets. How was lunch?
Lunch was nice, crispy duck and nasi goreng.
Mine was nice too, also crispy duck, but oh my god, the sambal was so spicy. I'm paying for it.
Some 3 little kids playing there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the amphitheater. We're not going
That's the
there.
entrance. This is very pretty. So this is the goddess Lakshma. Well, this just comes at you out of nowhere, doesn't it?
Yeah. Holy moly!
It's a bit big.
It's a bit big. It's the 4th biggest statue in the world.
So this is the statue, the Garuda Vishna something. So this is the statue we've come to see. This is the Garuda Vishnu Kanchana statue. It's the 4th largest statue in the world, and it's pretty big. We're going up to the 23rd floor in it to learn more about it. But yeah, it's pretty significant. You put your shoe in here and it melts a piece of plastic around the bottom of your shoe. I assume to keep your shoe pure and clean. Pro tip, try not to do it in thongs.
And this is the way of the master plan. The future way is going to be like that there.
Oh, it's going to be
Yeah.
like that. Ah, beautiful.
This is 5 times information design. You can enter here, is all the differences they cover in the first one there. Oh, okay. You get showing you up there, what's going on?
That's right.
No, I can do it.
Picture more anyone? Yes, correctly.
Oh, well, we're wrapping up our day. It was a pretty big day down at the beach and horse riding and lunch and walking and then coming to see this giant statue.
We're ready to go back and just lay down by the pool and just chillax for a bit
Before we get a massage.
before we get a massage.
It's been quite a day, my love.
It has has been quite a relaxing day.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
I needed that.
We got to hang out at the beach club. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much. But we had a very chill day at the beach club, just enjoying some nice, relaxing stretches and sun and pool and beautiful food.
What we figured out was that we're staying in a hotel that's relatively inexpensive, and it's nice, but it's not on the beach. But you can come down here on the beach and just pay a nominal minimum charge fee, and so long as you spend X number of rupiah in food and drink, you can just hang out there and use the pool and use the lounges and watch the beach.
In the end, it was about $30 with 2 drinks each, and some of the drinks with alcohol, including food.
So it's good. Yeah, so pro tip, if you come to Bali, you don't have to stay in the expensive hotels, stay somewhere more affordable, and then just come and use the expensive hotels.
Yeah, because they are still cheaper than actually staying in there.
Yeah.
We are start from here now, so over here, a person has selling kind of bring a bit pyramid like this. So this kind of, I'm going to say a couple of things that what we are using for cooking today. Yeah? So like over here, guys, we're gonna. Everyone, don't forget to add a pinch of salt first. Yes, okay. And then hold the pestle like this with your right hand, left hand on the top, back and forth, guys, like this. Scraping sound from the stone. Now, because if you hear that sound, then break down, yeah? Down, bring it to the center again. Like this, guys.
Hey, babe.
Hi. Smells nice.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Canberra.
Yeah.